Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I'm going to show you, I think yesterday or the day before I mentioned in the video that instead of using the virtual segment delete key to delete some line, you can just use the smart fill tool. I'll still continue deleting lines, but it does make sense because you can kind of see what's happening. So if we take our virtual segment delete key and delete and see you get off. So if you hold down the Alt key, it'll help you stay on that pattern. And so I'm just going to kind of delete some lines, and we're not particularly making any kind of pattern. And then you take your smart fill tool and fill that in, and you have that pattern. But you can do the exact same thing without deleting the lines. Now this is all grouped together, all these lines, so that's important. Take your smart fill tool. And what I do like about this maybe even takes a little bit longer, but if you make a mistake, it's a lot easier to go back later. You can take out, instead of trying to add lines back, you can actually just, well, maybe we'll show it. That's exactly the same. Now let's take away our lines. Now, microscopically, there should be some little bitty lines there. And I don't know about printing or whatever, but what you can do now is go up here and left click no fill and right click outline. But then select it all and go right here to the weld, and it will weld all those lines together. And then you can take your smart fill tool and it's all one solid color. It's got its advantages. Both of them do. I said it earlier. If you made a mistake, you could just, well, I don't want that one there, and take that one away, by deleting it and deleting that one, and, going back and adding, more, if we had a bigger graphic, you could keep going. So once you've deleted a line, theoretically, after you're done, you could go back and add a line, but it might not be straight. So that's the difference between virtual segment delete key on this application versus a smart fill tool. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.